Goa is all set for hosting the 51st International Film Festival of India. The International Film Festival, which takes place in Goa from November 20th to 28th every year, was postponed due to the coronavirus pandemic and now will be held from January 16 to January 24, 2021. The capital city of Goa, which is Panjim, is all decked up with spectacular lighting and artwork. Here's a quick look on the preparations done for IFFI 2021. The Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, inspected the IFFI venue in Panjim and later briefed a press conference on January 15. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant said.
The festival will be conducted in the hybrid format where there will be movies screened in the auditorium and some of the sections are curated for the online platform. The chief guest for the festival, the Sudeep Sanjeev, better known as the Sudeep, is a film actor, director, producer, screenwriter, television presenter and a singer who is primarily works in a Kannada language films in addition to this appearance in the Telugu, Hindi and Tamil language films. The Lifetime Achievement Award winners is an Italian cinematographer. It is an Vicarial Storio be honored with a prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award. Honorable Minister for the Information and Broadcasting, Mr. Prakash Javadekar, will be the chief guest, another chief guest for the inaugural function. The focus country for this year is in Bangladesh. The festival will be celebrated the 100-year legendary film icon, the Bharat Ratna late Sri Satyajit Ray. The festival venue for the physical screening will be the 4 auditorium in ESG Multiplex and 2 auditorium in Magnus Palace ESG Complex and 1 auditorium in Kala Academy. As you all of you know, the inaugural function in Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. The total seating capacity available for the following all the pandemic norms, which will be the 920. All the pandemic protocols will be followed according to the MHA guideline. The festival is going to E this year, and with the e-ticketing, e-festival catalogs, e-scheduled and e-peacock for the daily festival daily. Total 60 countries have participated. There will be close to around 119 screenings will be happen in a physical format, out of which the 85 are premiere movies that includes the international and national movies. The festival will be also witness the world premiere Mehrum Nisa. The registration for the physical and virtual platform is separately and the charges as according to the applicable. Both the platform fees for the students and media for the corresponding, both the platforms having the different section of the movies. The details regarding I'll focus only on the opening movie will be the another round and the closing movie which will be the Wife of Spy.
This year the film festival will be celebrating the work of legendary filmmaker Satyajit Ray by screening 5 of his classics. As part of tribute, the festival will showcase Ray's acclaimed Patir Panchali, the first film of his Apu trilogy, romantic drama Charulata, Sonar Kela, his 1977 Hindi directorial debut Shatranj Ke Khilari and Ghare Bahre. Sant Ki Aag, directed by Tushar Hiranandani and featuring Tapsi Pannu and Bhumi Pednekar, will be the opening film of Panorama section at the festival. A total of 224 films will be screened under different sections at the 51st edition, which will be organized in a hybrid format in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. Bangladesh is the focus country at this year's IFFI, which will screen 4 films from the country including Jibon Dhuli and Make Mahler, set against the backdrop of the 1971 Liberation War at the festival. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.